Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo. It's the XC60, finished in gleaming black. It's the all-wheel drive, so four-wheel drive. It absolutely drives fantastic. Your front park distance control. Diamond cut alloy wheels. It has just arrived. The wheels are going to be fully refurbished on this car. Got the lovely XC60 side steps on it. It's the R design. Look at that reflection, lovely. R design with a full R design body styling kit. It's the best engine, it's the D5, twin exhausts, lower rear diffuser. It's got an electric tailgate. These aren't cheap. It's got the load cover in the back, got the rear parcel shelf. It's in really good condition in the back, not being knocked about at all. Rear park distance control, lovely R design, rear diffuser, privacy glass to the rear. It's got a lovely full leather interior with white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. It's quite rare. Got a lot of options on this actually. It's only done 392 miles, and we've got multifunction steering with cruise control. Just start the car up. Got automatic headlights. Sounds fantastic. Got climate control, heated seats, satellite navigation, media pack, my car information, Bluetooth. Really is climate control in lovely condition. Drives fantastic, like I say. At DJH we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.